Hi everyone, I'm Amitoj Kaur, an IIBA CBAP certified senior business analyst with an experience of 13 years in IT industry. I've been in the business analysis role for 8.5 years now, and in this journey, Adaptive US have been of great help to me. Initially, when I connected with them, I was able to crack the CBAP certification within 3 months of time. It was a great achievement, but it didn't stop there. With all the guidance and study material that they provided, I was able to improve my performance incredibly. Later, when I decided to switch my company, I was able to grab multiple offers with good raise, and being in the same city was an added benefit. I was able to guide others for these kind of certifications and assist them how they can connect with Adaptive US and get certified. Recently, I renewed my CBAP certification, and now I'm looking forward to another certification of IIBA with the help of Adaptive US assistance. I thank the team at Adaptive US for being such a great help and looking forward for another certification. Thank you so much.